Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It's still cold outside. It's still cloudy outside. It is not a good day outside today. We've got like two guys in the chat. What's going on? Frank and Lyman Dave. Hopefully all you guys are having a good day today so far. Let's check out the stock market and see how it ended today because it was red. It was not a good day. Got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, closing at $6.76. Very low there, down 9.26% on the day. Trying to bounce back slightly after hours, but nothing too exciting. Shiba Inu coin sitting down 1.5% today. Literally no action whatsoever on Shiba Inu coin in the top right, down 1.54% on the day. GameStop, man, a little wild activity going on at the end of the day there, but nonetheless losing 8.26% on the day today. It's closing at $23.45. Bitcoin sitting at 16,985 right now. It is up just slightly, but has been bouncing back and forth between positive and negative territory all day today. The Nasdaq losing 2% today, closing at 11,000 points. GameStop, like we said, BR Therapeutics closing at 21.52, down 8% on the day. Ethereum 12.52, Shiba 9.27, Doge 9.9. Bitcoin, 16,987. Sundial closing the day, it's $2.82.5. Mullen Auto, 18 cents, man. Mullen Auto touching 18.5 today. Mullen Auto, man, it looks like it's in some rough shape. CEI is down below 10 cents. CEI is sitting at 9 cents right now. 9.5 cents, touching 9.4 cents. The SPY closing at $393.80. BBIG 59 cents. Highcroft Mining 57 cents. Netflix closing at $305.56. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 17.013 right now. The QQQ 281.68. And Ape, my gosh, Ape dropping down below 90 cents. Ape touching 88888. All right, good sign for the Ape. Oh no, I thought that was the low. 88 cents right there. 88.01 cents on Ape. My goodness, with the declines there, it's looking like a very, very tough market right now. We will watch Bitcoin try to play out throughout the afternoon after hours trade, but love the fact that we've got all 6 of you in here, so thank you very much. Was rocking out the tool before the stream. Very good, Frank. Hey, what's going on? Rich XXI Gaming, what's good? What's happening? Crypto Zaddy. Luna price going to drop with all the unstaking. You know what, Crypto Zaddy? It very well could. As far as I know, I just looked at the numbers this morning. I have not looked at them this afternoon. Over 4 billion Terra Luna Classic were unstaked. Now, that is not a massive amount compared to all of the Terra Luna Classic that is staked, right? There's nearly 1 trillion Terra Luna Classic staked. It was like 13% of the overall supply. So 4 billion is not a drastic number, but it is still a very large number to see unstaked in a very short period of time. With Terra Station Wallet and Rebel Station Wallet being unavailable today, it's going to cause a lot of panic for investors. And if investors do decide to unstake, undelegate, and maybe move sell their Terra Luna Classic or move back to a centralized exchange and then begin trading it or something, it's bad news. You know, it's going to be bad news for the price. So definitely something to keep your eyes on. I would agree with you in that sense. And I do. Pudgy. Pudgy, thank you very Pudgy, thank you very much for the super sticker that I missed at the end of the earlier live stream today. You sent that one way late, dude. I don't know. You sent that one way late. It definitely wasn't going to come through before the 10-second count. But thank you very much for that. And I will always get super chats. And thank you very much for reminding me about the super chat. Long-term retirement portfolio closed down 2.30%. AMC's next week 750 covered calls can be sold for 33 cents each after likely getting assigned this week. Yeah, dude. Why? Listen, it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get assigned this week, right? But we have had some crazy action so far with a 10% decline today. The market is definitely in a tough spot, man. It's definitely in a tough spot. My average on AMC, still in the 13s, man. My average on AMC is still in the 13s. I've not sold a single share of AMC. Been sitting on AMC, my gosh, for, well, since not even having, like, added anymore. I don't even really know when, dude. It's been forever. It's been over a year. I know that. Let's see. So, yes, I am down on AMC. Have you seen anything on LUNC going on to Robinhood app? No. So, Rich, I have not seen, other than people saying, retweet this if you want Robinhood to list Terra Luna Classic. Retweet this if you think Robinhood should list Terra Luna Classic. Other than that, I have not seen anything from Robinhood saying that they're going to list Terra Luna Classic or anything for that matter. Honestly, dude, I don't even think if Robinhood did list Terra Luna Classic, that it would get some sort of a huge spike or anything like that. I think that I think the overall cryptocurrency market's in a pretty tough spot right now. And when Robinhood listed Shiba Inu coin, I think it went up about 36% and then began to drop back down actually pretty quick. So even the long-awaited Shiba Inu coin listing, which came at basically the beginning of the bear market when people were still extremely excited and buying dips and thinking that we were just on a little bit of a discount, it resulted in a 30% gain. So you'd be looking at Terra Luna Classic with a 30% gain, maybe going back to 22,000 points per coin if it performed in a similar fashion to Shiba Inu coin. So I don't think, they haven't said anything about it, so I don't think they're going to be listing it or anything like that. Hey everybody, what's going on? Tim, how you doing? Everyone, curious. Yeah, mine's 13, man. I sent away late on purpose. I gotta break the boredom yeah, because I don't know what you do, but you got the timing down. Like, you know what the timing is, so I figured it could have been on purpose, but I didn't know because maybe I thought your stream may have needed refreshed or something, and you might have been behind a little bit. Because, yeah, dude, you got the timing down absolutely perfectly. Hello, old rounder. What's going on? Okay, cool. Possibly too far gone for Robinhood. Just wondered if you'd seen anything else. No, I haven't seen anything else on it. But, you know, I don't think it's necessarily too far gone, right? But I don't think that Robinhood's just going to be picking up a bunch of coins during this bear market either. I think that Robinhood's kind of going to stick with what they've got and then maybe start listing coins again during the next bull market that begins and people get excited about crypto. People are, flock. Because right now, dude, there's not a lot of people. There's not a lot of volume. And there's not a lot of trades going on in the cryptocurrency space compared to what it was just a couple of months ago. I say a couple months ago, yes, but really last year is the comparison. Volume was drastically higher last year than it is right now. So it may not make enough sense for exchanges like Robinhood and Coinbase and so on to list these cryptocurrencies during the bear market and kind of, expose themselves to the risk of listing these riskier cryptos. Let's see. Man, you guys are slow in the chat. Make sure that you guys keep the questions rolling. Otherwise, you're just going to have to listen to me talk. I do want to go out and see where CeeLo is because I'm short on CeeLo, and I don't know where it's at right now. I want to make sure it's not spiking back up. You know what I'm saying? 63.08 at the moment. CeeLo's at 63.08. I would like for this thing, when you're short, you want it to just spike down and lose all of its value. When you're long, of course, you want it to go up and go up forever. But it actually has been a very nice one-day period for shorting CeeLo right here. It's been nothing but losses all day long. Had a little bit of a spike early this morning or... It's 1:50. It says 1:50 a.m. I don't know if it was actually 1:50 a.m. Eastern time or when that was, but had a little bit of a spike up and then came back down to continue following basically the exact same trend line there. So it actually hasn't been a bad play at all. Sitting at 63.10 at the moment, touching I believe 62.10 or 62.16 earlier today. Nah, it was a little bit lower than that on KuCoin. A little lower than that 62.60 they just showed. It was like 62.10 or 62.16 on KuCoin there. Nonetheless, man, drastic reduction in volume. So 72% decline in volume with $22 million being traded, right? I decided to short it because this massive spike up right here, I did not think was going to be sustainable because, the overall cryptocurrency was not, well, you guys might be able to see it better now. The overall cryptocurrency market was not spiking up alongside this. So it was kind of like an outpaced gain that I did not think was going to be sustainable. So driving its way back down right now, losing the gain and still looking very good in terms of the short position being opened up. I actually think I got in somewhere in this area right here. Somewhere in this area. I don't know exactly where it was. But riding it down right now, would like it to curl back over and, drop off as fast as it ran up. But what are you going to do? What are you going to do? 63.11 at the moment. We'll go back out to Weeble here and see what's going on. Where's Vapo? We can look at Vapo. Let's see. Usually, it says my purchase was successful, and I wait till you say, till the next time, and then I click OK, and it sends it right on time. I need a life. All right, well, now that he's told his secret to everybody, and everybody's probably going to copy him, great. Now I'll never be able to end the stream. No idea what my AMC average is. I managed to wash my 75% or 75% of my shares 2 different times and getting a huge write-off this year. Very nice, Frank. Very nice. Yeah, dude. Losses galore this year, man. Losses galore. Vapo, we can check it out. Is this the big market crash? JJ, very well could be, man. Market's down 2% today. This could be the start of another leg down. It absolutely could be the start of another leg down. If we're able to break through these support levels that have held up in the past, then yes, we could just be getting started. Vapo. Vapo is stock. Vapotherm, yes. Whoo! All right, this is what we talked about, man. I knew I had these lines on here for a reason. Vapo, the stocko right here. I would be careful, though, with your Vapo. So we looked at these lines on this descending lower highs and lower lows, right? We've got our lows in this channel right here. We've got our highs on this end right here. Just like this gain that we broke out of right here, we slightly broke out right here. So if it follows this exact same pattern that it's been following right here, this should be a very good indicator that, you've kind of maxed your gains. And you should think about getting out of Vapo if it follows the same pattern, right? Don't just be like, oh, Clay Rose said sell, so I'm going to sell. And then tomorrow, a bunch of idiots go in and buy it, and it shoots it up to like $4 or $5. That is possible as well. But if Vapo continues to follow the exact same trend, little gain, down, little gain, down. What'd you call them? Buying the boom, selling the pow or something like that? Boom, pow, boom, pow, boom, pow, boom, pow, boom. What comes next? Pow. And it might actually drop it down to the, 10, 20, maybe 30 cent range. Somewhere in that area if it does. And when it declines, dude, it declines quick. So, yeah, Tim, man, hopefully you're able to make a little bit of a boom right there. And, dude, if you went from 40 cents to $1.70, you're freaking killing with a 4x gain, dude. Looking nice on that one. Luca Tony! Thank you very much for the 14-month member chat. I'm here, guys. Do not fear. I've been MIA for a bit, but I'm still holding strong in AMC. Nice. Luca Tony, man. Thank you very much for that member chat. Absolutely love to see it. And love the fact that you are in here right now. I've been pretty bearish on Bitcoin for a while, but I'm heavily considering buying Bitcoin for a short-term trade. Clay, want to talk me out of it? Yeah, I could talk you out of buying Bitcoin for a short-term trade. I would rather, at these $17,000 levels, short Bitcoin for a short-term trade. Listen, don't let me talk you out of it, right? But let's go back out to the longer-term graph here, or the larger graph, so we can see it a little bit better. Bitcoin sitting at 17,000. Oh, man. Anytime that we've taken a leg down, okay, boom, leg down back in May. We traded in this very tight channel for a very short period of time. Boom, leg down back in June. traded in this channel. This breakout back up actually seems to, it bucks the trend a little bit. This lasted like 6 months here, 5 months. Boom. Leg down. This seems to be the channel that we are currently in. Okay? $15,700 to roughly $17,000. I don't know how quick of a scalp you are looking to hit, but I highly doubt, based on the past performance and the stair steps down, that we make it back up to even this $19,000 level of resistance. If we do, awesome. I don't necessarily think this is the bottom yet still, but that would be a nice short-term swing for you. If it follows the pattern that we have been seeing since this bear market began, it's a boom, a leg down, and sideways action. Boom, a leg down, and sideways action. Boom, a leg down, sideways action. This one got a little lucky with that pop up there. Boom, a leg down. We are at the top end of the channel right now. If Bitcoin does make a break above this 17,000 mark, okay, and it seems like it's going to break support or resistance in this area right in here, you could play it. You could play it back up to the $19,000 mark there, but I think we're at the upper end of the channel that has been forming over the last several weeks here, and I'd be more concerned about a curl back over at the upper end of this channel, and dude, a breakdown here. Look, longer term, I think you're fine. Longer term, I think you're fine, even if you do buy Bitcoin at 17,000. But a breakdown right here could be catastrophic. Another reason that I'm short-term bearish that you want to consider, all of the potential action in the cryptocurrency space right now, as far as centralized exchanges, all sorts of stuff. Any potential release is most likely going to be bad news. I think at this point, we're kind of like hoping that another centralized exchange doesn't go bankrupt, as opposed to hoping that another centralized exchange, makes $100 million or $1 billion or something. I think that the hopes are, well, I hope that negative news doesn't come out today. Yeah, just my 2 cents on your $17,000 Bitcoin right there. Completely up to you, though, man. Absolutely, completely up to you. Luca Tony, thank you very much for the... Thank you very much, man. You didn't see my wheels turning there, but they absolutely were. Luca Tony, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. Do it. Chancellor Palpatine. Well, just do it then. Leg down for what? What? Nobody knows. AMC Ape to the Moon. Let's get it, Luca Tony. Clay, I'm just playing the Vapo roller coaster. Boom, baby. Tim. Where'd you get? You don't have to tell me where you got in that, man. But I hope you make as much money as possible, Tim. And I hope you don't lose any money. Clay, bro, your opinion will be at, 2030. 2030. That's a long way away, man. That's a long way away in terms of where we've come for Bitcoin so far. Think about that. We've watched Bitcoin go from basically nothing over the last 8 years to $70,000. I think during the next bull market, okay, if the next bull market is legitimately a bull market and not just some sort of a rally higher, that we do break $100,000, people are going to be calling for $1 million again and all of that stuff. But the $200,000 to $250,000 mark on Bitcoin could absolutely be a possibility. I think that's going to be like upper end of what we might see there. But that is, that includes a very robust bull market. People excited to buy, people, waiting for opportunity, things like that. 100,000 most likely to be broken, and people going to be calling for 200 to $250,000. I don't know if that 200 $250,000 will be reached, but the 100,000 I'm comfortable with. 2030 though, if we follow the same patterns, dude, we're gonna be through a bull market spike and back down to potentially bear market bottoms or bear market accumulation phase by the time 2030 comes around. So the same pattern following suit. You've got to look for a spike at the end of 2025 and the decline to come after at the either end of 2025 or beginning of 2026. So if that takes place, you would be looking for a low in 2027 and potentially another bull market taking place in 2030 there. So it is interesting. It's so far out though, dude. But 2030, man, who the heck knows where we're going to be in 2030? The United States might be destroyed by 2030, and our currency is literally worth pennies on the current dollars because of inflation, man. We might be sitting on $170,000 Bitcoin just because of inflation. I think it's going to be up. I just don't know exactly where it's going to be. It's way too tough to predict that far out, man. Everything LUNC is getting toxic on Twitter, starting to get out of hand. Paul, I would 100% agree with you on that, man. It is getting a little crazy, isn't it? I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say about Terra Luna Classic. We need, if they want the chain to continue on, it seems like we need to pay these guys. But I'm no judge of whether or not $150,000 is good. I just know when you feel like you're being exploited, you're probably being exploited. And I feel like the Terra Luna Classic community is being exploited. I could be wrong, could just be a feeling, but that is what I feel like right now. And I don't think that you should feel that way as an investor. Is everyone hibernating until the next bull run? All the bears are in hibernation, JB. It is true, man. Everybody's just sitting here waiting for the gains to roll in. Bitcoin top next run, looking like 170. Remember, I told you, Clay. Lucky's thoughts. Well, dude, I'm sure that you will remind me, even if I don't remember. But, yes, 170. 170 is not impossible, man. I think it'll be somewhere in the lower hundreds. But, yeah, 170 is not impossible at all. I think people will be calling for 200 to 250. How far down do you see Luna following the new unstaking and confusion they have going on? Crypto zaddies, so it all depends if they're able to trade their Terra Luna Classic, right? Right now, it doesn't seem like many people are able to move their Terra Luna Classic around, but I would have expected further declines already. So Terra Luna Classic is actually exceeding my expectations by maintaining these 17,000 point per coin levels, as opposed to dropping down to 16, 15, 14, 12 that I was thinking would have happened with people not even having access to their funds. Heck nah, playing the volatility. It's all low-hanging fruit if you shake the trees. I like it, Tim. What are you doing before Bitcoin came into your life? Stocks, man. Stocks. Before crypto, it was stocks. Before stocks, it was rebuilding houses, a lot of stuff, man. A lot of stuff. Trying to acquire because of the market cap. Good. Agreed, Randman. Perfect. Sold all my LUNC because they are killing the coin. Crypto Zaddy. I don't know if they're going to kill it, right? They will kill it if they don't develop these new wallets and they just decide not to develop on it anymore. That will kill it. I mean, at that point, let me put it this way. These coins are like zombies, okay? They can die. Terra Luna Classic died when Do Kwon and those guys left. But this other developer group, Terra Rebels, came in and started to develop on Terra Luna Classic and gave it another life. Terra Luna Classic could die again if we don't pay the Terra Rebels and so on. And they decide no longer to support and upgrade the wallets and the chain and all of that stuff. Terra Luna Classic will die again. And if it dies again and shoots down in value, there will be double lunatics or the Luna lunatics and whatever you want to call them, or zombie lunatics, however they want to be referred to as, will buy the coin, start to see a future from a double death, and they will have their own developers. Whether those guys are good, whether those guys are bad, whether those guys start off with good intentions and decide that the luster of hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars is appealing to their greed, and they decide to kill it for a third time, that could absolutely happen as well. So we got to see how it plays out, man. We got to see if these guys do develop or if they end up leaving and trying to kill it for a second time. Bounty Coin would solve all the LUNC issues, just my opinion. I could be wrong. You're probably not wrong, though, Tim. You're probably not wrong, man. Bounty Coin seems to me like it would solve everybody's issues with all of these crazy decisions that seem to be made. Oh, my gosh. I got to ask you guys, talking about crazy decisions. I was listening to a space call before I came on stream here with Sam Bankman-Fried. Was anybody else listening to that space call out on Twitter? Oh my gosh. Look, man. I have no malicious intent in saying this, but Sam Bankman-Fried is a little liar, dude. Sam Bankman-Fried he's a little liar. So you can't defame somebody if you're telling the truth or if you have no malicious intent. But Sam Bankman-Fried is a little liar. When he stumbles over his words in these interviews and in these space calls, when he acts like he has no idea what was going on and what was happening, when he acts like he is some sort of a victim of just, ignorance, he's lying. And you can tell with the way that he fumbles through his words. Sam Bankman-Fried is a very smart guy. Sam Bankman-Fried is not an idiot. I don't care if Sam Bankman-Fried is referred to as a beta, if he's got a submissive personality, if he's just this little nerd. Like, I don't care about any of that stuff. Sam Bankman-Fried is a smart guy. And Sam Bankman-Fried is a terrible liar. So, I don't know if anybody else listened to that Twitter space out there, but my goodness, dude. What a mess. What a wreck. You know what he sounded like? He sounded like... You know the kids that you went to junior high school with, and the teacher's like, "All right, everybody, turn in your homework," and the kid's like, I left my homework in my locker. I left my homework in my locker. It's done. I promise it's done, but it's in my locker." And the teacher's like, "Oh, go get it." Goes to his locker, and he comes back. Well, I thought it was in my locker. Knowing full well it's not in his locker, knowing full well he never did his homework. Like, this kid's just a liar, right? Stumbling over his words, trying to make up his next excuse on the fly as he's going on. That is exactly what Sam Bankman-Fried is doing. It's ridiculous to me, man. AMC likely pops to 200, I think. Dude, if AMC goes to 200, I'm out. Honestly, don't see an ape squeeze. I don't see it either. Ape and AMC squeeze together. Well, dude, if ape squeezes, ape's gonna go ape, man, because ape's only at 88 cents right now. Trying to get more into swing day trades. It's just a strip making noise right now, but we will get there in good time. You're just a strip making... I don't even know what that means, man. You're just a strip making noise? Aw, man, where did my Bitcoin... Oh, there it is. Dropped my Bitcoin and thought I lost it, but I found it. Sam Bankman-Fried, bottom of... I'll let you go next time it pops. Let's go, man. Throw him in the volcano. Hey, Clay, I feel like I should know this already, but I don't. So can you explain the Bitcoin halving I keep hearing about? Yeah, I don't know when that is, but I'm almost positive that that is just simply having the rewards. So you get half the Bitcoin rewards for mining Bitcoin. We can see when that's coming up. Is it in 2024? Okay. I think it's in 2024. So the next Bitcoin halving. It's a long overdue software upgrade for the world's second largest digital asset. Second largest? Nah, dude. Bitcoin's the first largest. What are you talking about? Second largest digital asset. Oh, yeah, so it will occur in 2024 here. So one of the most pivotal events on Bitcoin's blockchain is a halving, when the supply of new Bitcoins and the reward for mining them is cut in half. Each halving reduces the rate of inflation and as a result pushes the Bitcoin price upward. As of 2022, Bitcoin miners, or people who use their computers to participate in blockchain network, we understand what Bitcoin mining is, are rewarded 6.25 Bitcoins for each block they successfully mine. I want to know I don't know what Bitcoin mining started out at. Gosh, dude. Could you imagine getting hundreds of Bitcoin per successful block? The next halving will occur in 2024 when the block reward will fall to 3.125 Bitcoin. Over time, the impact of each halving will diminish as the block reward approaches zero. Right, because the next one, you're still going to be getting 1.5 Bitcoin and so on. So, it's not going to be until 2024 that we have to worry about that. And miners are only going to be getting 3.125 Bitcoin as opposed to 6.25 Bitcoin. And it's just a halving of those mining rewards there. And it's, I guess the last halving takes place in 2140 when the number of Bitcoins in existence will reach the 21 million maximum supply. So we still got another 100 years of Bitcoin mining, man, that we can work with there. I want to know if I can see really quick. You guys were able to see that, right? I want to see if I can find out the dude, 50 Bitcoins. When Bitcoin first started, people were getting 50 Bitcoin from 2009 all the way to 2012. 50 Bitcoin per block. And they were probably solving a block, I don't even know how quickly, but rewards get paid out quite often. My gosh, dude. People were just sitting on thousands of Bitcoin. Like it was absolutely nothing, man. Oh my gosh. SBF, although he's guilty of a lot, he is also a patsy in his scheme. He agreed to participate in this scam that benefited the powers that use this platform for bad things. He skimmed off too. Oh yeah, no, I think it is a double-edged sword, man. I truly agree. So I do think that, you know, he's responsible for his actions. I absolutely think that, you know, you get involved with some bad people, okay? You get involved with some criminals. You still decided to get involved with these criminals. It just so happens that these criminals are technically the good guys, right? In this situation, good guys can be bad guys too, if you know what I mean. You gotta be careful with what you say on YouTube. But good guys can be bad guys too. And he got involved with some pretty bad good guys and was moving a lot of money around for them. And they've got their own agenda to bring down centralized and decentralized crypto and get their own cryptocurrency out. So I do think that he was used, absolutely. But nonetheless, man, you could still be used and be guilty at the same time. I always left my homework in my locker. I never left my homework in my locker, dude. I was one of those idiots. I was not the nerd that was like, hey, teacher, you forgot to collect the homework. I was not that kid, but I did always have my homework done. Look, dude, I get it. If the kid next to you didn't do his homework, I'm not going to be the kid that gets him thrown under a bus because of it. But my homework was always done. There's usually some girl that sat in the front row that was like, oh my god, teacher, you didn't collect our homework. You're supposed to do that. And the teacher's like, oh my gosh, thank you for reminding me. And you screwed the kid that was sitting next to you, but whatever. Life goes on, right? Patrick! Boa tarde, Clay. Boa tarde, Patrick. Tome tenho bom dia. I will drink and I will have a great day. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the coffee. Absolutely love it, man. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration there. Loving it, Patrick. And Pat, how's your meetings going, man? How's your meetings going? Gonna be a busy week for you. Hopefully things are going good so far. And boa tarde pra você também, Patrick. What's up, Nate? That's all I remember. That's all you need to know, Pat. That's all you need to know. Thank you for the authorized hydration. Appreciate it, man. Clearly, the way extra funds outside of options and regular investing is going to be stacked in USAC until ex-dividend day. Let's see this bad boy, USAC. What do we got going on here? USAC. Where are we at? Whoo! Not bad, dude. USAC sitting on 11.6 dividend yield. Not bad at all there, man. A nice 50-cent dividend expected to be coming here at the next payment. 52 cents, it looks like. USAC, Danelle, if you're listening, USAC seems to be one of these pretty boring stocks that, only ever wants to go up. But USAC, is this a REIT? Natural gas, okay, interesting. I was thinking that this was probably going to be some sort of a REIT, the way that it got destroyed in 2020 here, when all of those rent and eviction moratoriums went into place. I was thinking this would have been some sort of a REIT, but that's crazy that it was natural gas. You would have figured with more people staying inside, natural gas would have been a little bit higher, done a little bit better. But nonetheless, still doing phenomenally. And imagine if you would have gotten in the 2020 low here, $2.40, and you're already sitting at $18. Think about this, man. You jump in this at $2.40, okay? When the dividend just remained at 52 cents. My goodness, man. The dividend remains at 52 cents. And now you are literally clearing 100% dividends in USAC if you would have gotten in on this area right here. Wow. Dude, could you imagine that? That's a stock you'd probably sit on for the rest of your life then. Clearing 100% annualized dividends every year. That would not be bad at all. My gosh, USAC looking good, dude. Looking good, Frank. It made me mad when I actually did my homework and the teacher didn't collect it and my buddy didn't even do it. Yeah, JJ, I feel you. I feel you. But the question is, were you one of those little nerds that was like, oh, teacher, you forgot to collect the homework and threw your buddy under a bus? No, you probably weren't one of those guys. It was the girl that was sitting in the front row. They did that to everybody, so you didn't have to. A lot of end-of-year wrap-up, but work is going well. Good deal, man. Good deal. I hope work's going well for everybody, including Pika, if you're out there listening right now, and Wana, if you're out there. Wana, are you listening? Come on, Wana. Where you been? I haven't seen you in a little while, and I want to see your name in the chat. I only did my homework in school. It was not completely, but never failed a test. Maybe spell it. Oh, man. Well, hey, man, look, at least you didn't fail no test, right? At least you didn't fail any. You're good to go. You're good to go. I got to get back to work. Next Level. Thank you very much for swinging by Next Level. I hope that you enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Really appreciate you coming in here. Please don't forget to click the like button on your way out. And thank you for enjoying the afternoon with the bros. I made it. MK Ultra Patient. Thank you very much for making it to the live stream today. Things have been slow, right? Things have been slow in the stock market. Things have been slow in the cryptocurrency market. The views are drastically down, and people only want to hang out when things are running higher. About the 40 of you that are in here right now, thank you very much. And congratulations, because the 40 of you that are in here right now are going to be the 40 that are in here during the next bull market run. And you guys are going to be sitting on ridiculous bull market gains, man. I love it. How many likes we got? Oh, boy. I don't know, but it better be good. I'm not even asking, dude. I'm just hitting you guys with an ad on that one. 15 of you click the like button. You guys are gonna make me cry on live TV right now. Oh my gosh. Things have been slow. Yes. Yes, they are. JB, I will hit you with another JB. Trust me, if you guys don't click that like button, I am definitely going to hit you with another ad. Ma, I'm not even asking you guys about that one. 15 likes? 15? I can't even tell my mom about this stream, dude. She's going to be disappointed in me. Yeah, Mom, I had 15 likes today. Oh my God. Honey, are you okay? No, Mom, I'm not okay. I'm not. And that complaining only encouraged one of you to click the like button. Oh my gosh. Now we got 16. I'm going to end the stream now. I was the first to like. Thank you very much, Frank. When does the Christmas run begin? The famous ones. Well, dude, hopefully the Christmas run begins before Christmas time. But if the Christmas run doesn't come, the good news is we've got 35 bro shirts to give away. So 35 bro shirts should make somebody happy during the Christmas holiday here. And you can win yourself a shirt if you can't win yourself a stock trade or a crypto trade. Let's see. Why is it that your sober videos are always in a nice room with everything backwards but the bro sign, but lives are done in a basement or dungeon? Where are you hiding from during your lives? Gosh, dude, does it really look like a basement right here? I'm in my room upstairs. The videos downstairs are in the living room, and like I got the desktop set up on top of the desk with the dual monitors and all that stuff. I wasn't gonna put that in my living room, so I put it up here. And then yeah, man, everybody thinks that it's just so dark and dreary. Kai, help me out. How do I make this a better setup so you don't think that I'm sitting in some sort of a dungeon in here? That I'm sitting in a nice, what'd you call it? A nice room. I don't want to be in a dungeon, dude. I want to be in a nice room. How do I make it better? Matthew! Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, Matthew. Absolutely love it, dude. Everybody welcome Matthew back to the Little Bros. Nice. Welcome back. Yes, Matthew, welcome back, dude. Swing and a miss. Premium YouTube sends me another. Oh, my gosh. Well, Premium YouTube, yeah, forget about it. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. I hang out every day just for this. Me too, man. What is this, you ask? Thank you very much, Tim, for the super sticker. Absolutely love the King Turkey. And what do we have here? We've got a JJ with I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Thank you very much, JJ, for the I am Batman right there. Loving the member chat, loving the super chat. Thank you guys very much. And all two of you that said welcome to Matthew. Welcome back to Matthew. Appreciate that right there. Some of you guys are paying attention. Lucky Stott saying welcome. JB saying welcome. The famous ones. Throwing two little guys out there. I think that's a welcome. Tim saying welcome. I like it. Okay, hit the like now. Captain Skyhawk. Thank you. Now I can no longer cry. I forgot to read up after the free gift membership. Matthew. Nice, man. And thank you very much for grabbing that. So loud on my TV. Lucky Thoughts. It's got to be very loud. And the guys who are wearing headphones too. It's got to wake them up. American Bulldog's going insane. Perfect, Tim. Perfect. They love that noise then. Still can't find the like button. The famous ones, man, I'm telling my mom on you. I'm going to tell her. She's going to come get you. Welcome, Matthew. Heck yeah, King Mama. Thank you. Click. I didn't find bread on our trip. A certain sickness did find me, though. I don't know what I'm more disappointed about, man. The fact that you're sick or you didn't find bread. You feeling okay? You feeling okay, JB? We want you to feel good, dude. And I'm telling you, you can feel pretty lousy with that. So hopefully you guys are all good to go there. Not the whole family doesn't get sick or anything, man. That would absolutely suck. MK saying welcome. Thank you very much, MK. Appreciate that. Guys, we're having a little bit of a bounce in Bitcoin here. Can't seem to break down below this little support level at 1978. Now, it's only a $10 bounce, right? But it seems to be wanting to hold up as a level of support. And this channel that we've marked out earlier today wants to maintain its integrity. So sitting there between 16,970 and 1725. Very stagnant action on Bitcoin. Like, no action on Shiba Inu coin. Like, look at this right here. Literally no trades on Shiba Inu coin. This is wild to see how flat Shiba Inu coin is. I want to see CeeLo. CeeLo, man. Is CeeLo dropping down? What are we doing here? We want CeeLo to be as low as possible. CeeLo is sitting at 62.90. All right, CeeLo, come back down. I would like for you to literally to just drop off the face of the earth and, lose $100 million in your market cap right now. But I understand if that's not in the cards for you today. Nonetheless, it'll be okay. We are currently short on CeeLo, and the trade seems to be working out pretty well over the last 48 hours or so. I never got my welcome, always on your chat. Mina Rahal. Well, the welcome is for green names. But Mina, welcome. Thank you very much for being in the chat. You can be a little bit more active if you want to be a little bit more active, but welcome, Mina. Glad to have you in here, but the welcome for Matthew, it was because he got that green name and joined the channel there, just so you know that you weren't being excluded in any way. Thanks all. As crazy as the market and world gets, this is always pretty positive and informative respite from all of that. Yes, it is, Matthew, and I hope to keep it that way. And then when the bull market returns, dude, and we are all making massive amounts of money together, it is going to be even better. What price can Doge hit? End of year wild guess. You know what, Junior? Doge can be absolutely crazy by the end of the year. All it takes is one message or one announcement from Elon Musk, and Dogecoin could be back down to literally less than a cent. Dogecoin could be all the way up to 50, 60, 70, 80 cents again. For example, if Elon Musk tweets out, I've sold all my Dogecoin. I am going to focus on Twitter coin and monetizing the Twitter platform with its own cryptocurrency. I would imagine Dogecoin would tank in value. And I imagine Dogecoin would probably be somewhere around a cent or potentially even less. Shiba Inu coin would probably get hit pretty hard too. If Elon Musk announces Twitter integration is here, Dogecoin can now be used to tip, and Dogecoin will be the primary current currency, the people's coin, used on the Twitter platform. Rockets, I tell you. I don't think it would be impossible for Dogecoin to hit $1 on news like that. Most likely, we're not going to see either one of those announcements this year. And Dogecoin's still going to be trading, between the probably 7 and 13 cent range, like it has been for the last several months. So most likely it's going to be boring, dude. But Dogecoin can move a lot in a very short period of time. Something funny going on at Terra Station today. I guess they're going down next. Has me worried. Side is glitched bad. I think they want to be the next FTA. Yeah, so Kai, the Terra Station has been down today because of some sort of an update that is not being supported by Terra Station anymore, and the Terra Rebels are working on this and that, and you're no longer going to be able to use your Terra Station, but Rebel Station is not going to be supported by Terra Station. So there's a lot going on, dude. That basically says you don't have access to your coins, and until we pay them $150,000, we're not really going to be able to have access to our coins in the future. So you're right, dude. There is a lot going on in terms of Terra Station and Rebel Station. How to get a green name? The famous one. So there should be a link if you're on iPhone, there's a link in the description that says, grab a green name, become a bro, join the channel or something like that. And you can go out in Safari or your, whatever browser you use, and get a green name that way. If you're on Samsung or Android phone, all you gotta do is click the Join Now button and get a green name. Patrick! Welcome, Matthew. Have a coffee and a hot dog. Thank you very much for the coffee. Almost out. And a hot dog. You take the hot dog and you dip your hot dog in your favorite dip, whatever that dip is, and after you're done dipping it, you shove it. Thank you very much, Patrick, for that little drink and a hot dog there, man. Hit the spot. Mina! Thank you very much for the super chat. Just kidding. You're the best of content. Mina, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. You're the best, dude. You're the best, dude. Thank you very much for that. Absolutely appreciate it, man. And positive feedback. I'll take it all day long, man, because I'll tell you what, people are not afraid to tell you how bad your content is on the internet, and people are not afraid to tell you how dumb you are on the internet, and I feel like guys should be like Mina, man. They should not be afraid to tell you that they enjoy some of the content, they enjoy what you do, and it really goes a long way. So, Mina, I appreciate the fact that you're here, dude. Man enough to say that you like the content. Thank you very much for that. I have Doge just because Musk likes to ramble. And that's not a bad idea to have some Doge just in case he says something, man. You know, if he says something and it spikes up, you can take advantage of that spike. Totally, Kai. Totally. JB kids will be fine. They're less affected unless they have other health issues. Yeah, I would say so. But JB said something about it. They have me confined to the guest bedroom, hoping the kids don't get it. JB's stuck, man. JB's just going to be stuck watching the bros for the next couple of days. I like it, JB. Stuck watching the bros for the next couple of days. We'll keep you company. Don't worry about it, JB. But you're going to be getting better sooner rather than later. I went long on Shiba about an hour ago at 25x. Oh, God, dude. Chris, if I understood this correctly, you are 25x leveraged on a long position on Shiba right now? What time? I don't even know what time you said that, man. Oh, my gosh. Chris has got me nervous now. Oh, yeah. No, I got you. Gosh, dude. 25x leverage long on Shiba Inu coin right now. Dude, I hope 927 is the bottom low. You can't even have a 4% decline, man, without tapping your position there. That's nuts. No. Okay, well, this is the bottom low. We're going to watch Shiba Inu coin just spike up. Elon Musk is going to say something tonight. And Elon Musk is going to inspire Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin investors for another 10% rally. And Chris is going to make a ton of money on his trade there, man. I absolutely hope that happens. Yes, that is correct. Well, good luck. Elon Musk is going to say something good tonight, and you're going to spike up 10-20%, and you're going to make some sick money on your trade there. I like it, Chris. Hi, guys. Hi, Tim. Kai. How you doing, bros? Emma D. How you doing? Glad to have you in here towards the end of the stream, Emma. Hey, bro. How good are you at controlling emotions? Lucky's thoughts. What do you mean? I guess it depends on the situation, right? I would say that I'm pretty good at it. I wouldn't say that I don't have emotions, though. I'm not some sort of a sociopath that doesn't have emotions. But I would say that I'm relatively in control of them. When I'm mad, I know that I'm mad. When I'm happy, I know that I'm happy. It's fair. I don't know. I would say good, but I understand the emotions that I feel. Yes, that is correct. Tar, let's get it, man. Let's get it. Clear up. What's going on with the smart stake? Terra Station saying they aren't a validator anymore. So Jeffrey Hankins. So Terra Station is basically cutting out support for Terra Luna Classic. From this point forward, it is... Well, it's like Terra Luna Classic is going to be its own coin, man, and its own decision maker. From what I read... The only reason, and this is like if you go to look at some LUNC DAO stuff out there, because LUNC DAO is some sort of a Terra Luna 2.0 fanatic, he really goes to point out the fact that Terra Luna Classic wouldn't even be in existence right now if it wasn't for Terraform Labs, Do Kwon, and all of the guys that work for him. They've basically been supporting all of the wallets, all of the on-chain upgrades, everything so far, and they're cutting that support out. I think, in the next week or two. And if they do that, Terra Rebels, the guys that are apparently the developers for Terra Luna Classic, want us to pay them $150,000 to make sure that we upgrade wallets and make sure that they continue to work for the next 2 months. They want to pay $150,000 for the work for the next 2 months on Terra Luna Classic wallets and stuff. So it's a situation that feels a little bit like exploitation to me. And if you feel like you're being exploited, you probably are being exploited. So that's kind of what I've got feelings for right now in the Terra Luna Classic space. I took it at 933. 933 sitting at sitting at 927 on Webull right now. I know you didn't take it on Webull, but I don't know what it's sitting at on. Where'd you make the trade, man? KuCoin or where? Binance or KuCoin or what? See, FOMO is hard to fight sometimes. FOMO is extremely hard. Bitcoin at 12,000 in February. DK. It's not impossible, man. It's not impossible. So some people are calling for a bottom to take place sometime towards the beginning of the year here. And if Bitcoin does go down to that $10,000 to $12,000 range, that could be a bottom that we see in there. It's all going to depend on, the external factors in terms of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges and things like that continuing to go under in all of it. Where's everyone been? No Pika, no Denell, no Trap. It's almost like they don't care about us anymore, Pudgy. I don't know. I know Pika's been busy at work. AMC Trapper, I think he might have had one too many bananas. AMC Trapper, you listening right now, man? I don't know if he's listening or not. And Denell's been in here, but just not today. Let's see. Mr. Simon's also not in here this afternoon. It's been a crazy day. I've been putting out metaphoric fires all morning, but I'm glad to be able to catch the end of your live stream. M&D, perfect. And I'm glad that you're in here as well. Have you not seen him simulate eating a hot dog or banana? He can fake emotions. At least I think he's faking. Otherwise, he has a side job. Oh, man. When I say Claybro883 everywhere, I mean everywhere. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have a Claybro883 over there. Simon is in and out. He's busy with work. These boys and girls being busy with work these days. Come on. Pika's busy. Simon's busy. Trapper's busy. Denell's busy. Everybody's too busy for Claybro. But I've been wondering the same thing. Me too. I trade now on Fimix with contracts. I used to trade on KuCoin, but I prefer... why? So, Chris, tell me why if you can briefly. Because, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing them correctly, but Femix, I've actually gotten several emails from them trying to get me to do an affiliate link with them. But currently I'm using KuCoin and Binance, and I've never used Femix or Femex, if I'm pronouncing them wrong or not. But let me know why you like them over KuCoin. Because they've been emailing me a lot about affiliate links and trying to get me to say them in my videos and stuff. Claybro only. No, Tim, no. I'm telling you, doesn't exist. No, it really does not exist, guys. So don't go out there looking for that anywhere. There could be some sort of a fake or something stupid that would be wrong. That does not exist. Even though, all jokes aside, does not exist. But I could still joke about it. So just know that if I do say anything like that, I am joking about it. Don't go follow some scammer. Thanks for being you, bro. Semi-pro photo. Thanks for being you, dude. My gosh, man. That's all I ever want from people. LUNC, down, in an early round. Richie Rich going down, swinging. Yeah, LUNC, man, not looking too good at the moment. A lot of weird stuff going on today. But hey, man, it most likely is going to, get right through it and then succeed after all of the nonsense plays out. I'm back. I think we lost the cell tower. Oh my gosh. Why would you do that, Frank? You gotta keep as much signal as possible these days. It's absolutely ridiculous. JB, you still in here? Did you fall asleep? We gotta make sure JB doesn't fall asleep on us. Because I know that with whatever sickness he's got, makes you tired. Claybro does Dallas. What is that like? You just go to a city or something? Like Claybro does Miami. Claybro does Dallas. Claybro does Los Angeles. Claybro does New York. Is that what that is? We could go on some sort of a travel vlog. We could do that if you guys want to do it. Claybro does Dallas. Claybro does Miami. Claybro does Los Angeles. Claybro does whatever. All of Ohio. Claybro starts in Ohio. Does Ohio. We can make it happen, Kai. We can make it happen. You gotta do it, Claybro, fans only, and just upload videos of Jimmy Neutron dancing. Oh, I should actually do that, Emma D. Emma D, you might be my new creative over here, coming up with ideas like that. There was a dirty movie in the 80s called Debbie Does Dallas. Oh, gotcha. Now, no, Kai. No, this is not a dirty movie, man. I forgot how young you are. Yeah, dude. Kai, I forgot. How young am I? So I think they were fun. Yeah, Matthew, that's what was going on. Kai was messing with me. I don't know why you gotta do that to me, Kai. I don't know why you gotta do that. My mom and dad are watching. They're probably like, uh-oh, Clayro does Dallas. What? Now, guys, it is 5 o'clock. We're going to get off here for now. We got videos coming out in 2 hours, videos coming out in 3 hours, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure to watch them. Watch them twice, dude. I'm almost begging you guys. Watch them twice, 3 times. Put a playlist on and let it go. Views are down drastically right now. Nobody cares about cryptocurrency. Nobody cares about stocks. Only those that are going to be here during the bear market care about this stuff. And nothing's running right now. So we need to make sure that we get as many views as possible. Click the like button, all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Appreciate all of you. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Don't cry, Clay. I'm never too busy for you fund. Yes, I almost cried, dude, because those likes, you guys are, I'm not going to lie, you guys are pathetic on the likes today. 26 likes. I know you could do a lot better than that. But Patrick, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. Guys, get your names in the chat. We'll do these shout outs, and then we will be back with videos tonight. Emma D, shout out to you. Chris, man, shout out to you. Tim, see you later. Semi-Pro Photo. Richie Rich, see you later. Frank, Kai, Emma D, Matthew, Kai, Matthew, Semi-Pro Photo. You stay awesome, dude. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love it, man. Lucky's Thoughts, Frank, Matthew, Kai, Old Rounder. I don't know if we got SD listening. Who else is in here right now? Pudgy saying, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. AMC Trapper, if you're in here, peace out to your diamond-handed apes, too. Mina Real, best overall content creator. Love it. Mina, dude, thank you very much for that. You're awesome. You're killing it today. You give me a big head, dude. I actually got a small head, man, but you're giving me a big head today. Tim, dude, thank you very much for being in here. Lyman Dave, see you later. King Mamba, Chris, all of you guys. You know what time it is, so you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.